What's up guys? 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 It's me Strange Justice and I'm back with another video, and this is my first eating video. It will be a full day of eating. I'll show you every drop of coffee I intake, or every grain of rice I intake, or even every molecule of chapati I intake. You got the point, right? So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up maybe like half an hour ago. I'm not a very early riser, so let's begin.
What do you see?
So this is the first thing I have in the morning, guys. It's coffee, normal coffee, Nescafe Sunrise, I believe. And I add milk, maybe a little sugar if I want to. Normally when I cut, I usually go for black coffee, but while I bulk, I normally go for milk coffee because it tastes better and I have more calories to play with. So I can add a little bit of milk, that'll be fine. There's a lot of buzz surrounding aspartame or maybe sucralose, that is artificial sweetener that I get from that sugar-free, natural sugar-free or something like that. I don't know exactly the branding, but my opinion be like, there's no solid evidence that it causes any problem or any solid evidence that it doesn't cause us any problem. So for the while I see a lot of guys taking that, so take your bet, use them if you want to. I generally use them. I like using them because they help me. Mostly I use them when I'm in a cut because I don't want to intake unnecessary calories by adding sugar into my diet, and that helps me keeping care of my sweet tooth also. So it's your bet, use it. I'm still enjoying my coffee. Once I'm done with it, we'll go to our meal number 1.
So this is the first meal of my day, my breakfast. I usually take 1 cup of oats. I have eaten about 70% of it, and about 4 eggs, which one I have started to eat, and 3 are left. 250 ml of milk, toned milk, 1 tablespoon or 35 grams of peanut butter, and about 100 grams of oats. This is what it is, and the calorie and macros count of this will be shown on your screen right now. So it's about 1000 calories. One of my friend will be coming here soon. We have to go somewhere. I don't know, he have planned something, so we might have our lunch outside. See you guys on the next meal. Yeah, and one thing guys, if you haven't ever tried peanut butter with oats and milk, try it now. I can guarantee you'll like it. It's delicious and it's healthy, it's delicious, it's awesome. Try it now.
There he is. Yeah.
Where are we heading to? what have you ordered?
Prawns
Panko crumbed prawns and
and some Korean spice rice with something.
unan curry. So this was the manchow soup. This is the rice and curry that we ordered. It is for him. What is this? Pan fried noodles, yeah, exactly. And this was the baby corn chili. And we're still playing this game.
Prawn.
And this is the prawn.
Fried prawn.
Some sort of fried prawn, right?
We'll eat our food right now. Meanwhile, you enjoy the cinematic of this place.
Who won?
Master of the world.
कौन लॉस होता है?
Welcome back, guys. I'm at my home right now. It's around 6:15 now. I'm about to go to the gym. So see you guys at the gym.
Unfortunately, the gym is closed today. The owner is having some issue, and like I had to work out at home. From last 1 month or so, it's been like very rough days for me to work out. I've been like working out once a week or like once every 2 weeks, so I don't want to skip any more days. I tried hitting every muscle group, 4-5 sets of each, just to get going in gym again, just to get your body adapting to the workout you throw in. It's already late in the evening. It's already 9 o'clock. I'll go and get a shower, then I'll have my last meal of the day. So this is my post-workout meal. I just came out of my shower, but still I'm sweating like hell. It's like 9:30 in the evening, and this protein powder, it's whey protein. It is from My Fit Fuel. I have just made a review on this. It's just kind of positive review because I like this product very much. It is the best protein powder in this price range. Let's quickly drink it up. So this is my post-workout meal. So see you guys in another part of this video. Welcome guys, this is the final meal of the day. So I'm having 200 grams of cooked rice, 1 katori of bhindi as veggies, and around 220 grams of chicken breast that I made a curry of it, and a little bit of potato curry. It's about 150-200 grams. Generally, I don't follow the rule of like not eating carbs after 7 or 8. I personally feel like if you're under your calorie budget and you're hitting your macros perfectly, at the end of the day you'll be fine with it. And it's very extremely hot and humid here in Bhubaneswar, but still we got to do what we got to do. So I'll enjoy my meal right now and I'll meet you at the outro.
So that was it, guys. This was my 3000 calorie bulking diet. It consisted about 190 grams of protein, 280 grams of carbohydrate, and around 125 grams of fat. Actually, I didn't got much time to make this video because I had to go back to my hometown. Hence, this video was kind of a raw, but expect better quality videos in future. Like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell on so that you get updated whenever I post a video on YouTube. Meet you guys on next video. Till then, keep the gains in the right way.